Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. Like I indicated in the video description, I'll demonstrate how XRP eventually becomes the dominant cryptocurrency. The Ethereum is our starting point. The founders of Ethereum have committed a fraud even larger than the FTX scam, according to an insider. Is this why 99% of cryptocurrencies will fail following regulation? That's why I've committed nearly all of my savings to XRP. So, we'll begin with Stephen Nari Iob, an attorney and ex-ETH advisor. On Thursday he posted a stunning article on Ethereum and an X-formerly tweet. The lawyer, who has personal experience of ETH having worked with the blockchain network previously, has come up with stunning charges surrounding the behavior of Ethereum founders Vitalik Buterin and Ethereum's Joseph Lubin, he claims, is a swindle 1,000 times larger than what Sam's men rescued from the bank. In addition, he elaborates on the corruption of U.S. government officials. Gary Gensler and Jay Clayton, the former head of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, are two names he mentions. Normally, I'd chalk this up to a jaded former employee or a disagreement between him and Vitalik. However, we are aware of the corruption. We are aware of ETHgate and its connection to the Ripple SEC action. There was a documented investment contract for Ethereum, but the SEC chose to ignore it in favor of a losing bet on Ripple. And here is the Ether product sales contract. They have a slowed-down version of Ripple and XRP, but they tossed it out because back then they only cared about pleasing their wealthy banker pals. Before they coordinated with the SEC to undermine us, we had complete control over Ethereum. Remember, XRP was second only to Bitcoin at the time, thus they had to regulate its growth. This set off a chain reaction of SEC lawsuits. In the future, Gary will no longer serve as the SEC's leader. If they are honest and concerned with the welfare of regular investors, they will likely find success with Ethereum. And that might occur with Rybolt going up against Ethereum. The flaws in the wallet were discovered, and we believe they were installed on purpose. People will defend a theory they've just heard about, even in the comments section of this channel, even when we're currently witnessing the idea crumble. People have had it with the exorbitant cost of gasoline. In addition, Ethereum is becoming obsolete as projects continue to abandon it in favor of other, more robust blockchain networks. What about Bitcoin developer exposed potential security risk on the Lightning Network? Now, I've mentioned this before. And I predicted that in the long run, the Lightning Network will be Bitcoin's savior. However, there are issues there as well. I believe Bitcoin still has one more significant bull run in it. However, following that, I anticipate significant investment in utility. And it will never be Bitcoin again. Because by then, I will have really ramped up my efforts to promote CBDCs around the world. It will be obvious to everyone that XRP is the future, and nobody will care about Bitcoin. So, as is the case annually, XRP is surging due to Ripple swell. And as I mentioned in the last video, I believe the trend toward improvement will continue. If you see XRP rising before a wave, don't get your hopes up. The time when prices drop to 30 cents or less is near. People are already clamoring for an XRP price of 20 cents, but I'm not sure whether that low of a price is realistic. See a doctor if you're still holding out hope for XRP to drop to 20 cents. Big things are happening with the Ripple and XRP cryptocurrency right now. You're well aware of how quickly settlement can occur. We can't predict how much value will be added because of that, but it will undoubtedly cause the price to soar. Ripple, I don't think they're going to announce an IPO until sometime next year. But you should know that we're keeping tabs on the worldwide development of Ripple. At the same time, further infrastructure is being constructed on the XRP ledger. The days of the 20 and 30 cent coins are likely over for good. At swell, a Ripple is often a herald of a major development. The more pressing issue, however, is whether or not the revelation will have any impact on the price of XRP. In a few days, we should find out. As we move upward, people are getting excited about XRP, so it would be great if some major news could really drive the price of XRP soaring. The return of XRP to prices above $1 is imminent. I'll try to explain. When Judge Torres confirmed in July what everyone already knew, that XRP is not a security, Ripple made significant progress. Because of this, their price increased from 50 cents to 94 cents in a short period of time. That's a near overnight doubling of whatever you put it in. That happened to be totally insane. This victory, however, was only partial. After the crowd had begun to accept this, we headed back down. With what's coming, though, we'll easily beat July. That is correct, and that lawsuit is a load of garbage that has kept the price of this currency low for a long time. A settlement or definitive conclusion to this matter, in my opinion, would send this to the wind. I'm doing some trade stocking and getting ready for what's to come, but I know that whenever it is, it will come quickly. You'd better be holding XRP if they reach a settlement, because the price is going to change so quickly. As I said, waiting for something to occur while not holding it is like buying halfway up a huge green candle. And nobody knew in July that we were going to keep working on that case. While this new information is helpful, the case still has to be resolved. I can't stand these conspiracy theorists' bull. This, however, is rational on a 9-to-1 basis. A definition for XRP 589. And what does it mean to flip the switch? On November 19, 2023, ISO 222 will become mandatory. Does this have any connection to one another? Prime numbers are shown for your perusal, but then they talk about other rentals, and I'm not a person who solves puzzles, so I had to stop listening. However, it's worth noting that many occurrences share commonalities with the regulars. Occasionally, they're right. They could be wrong on occasion. When they are correct, I suppose. Just my lucky day. However, as an XRP holder, it is also entertaining to check out such materials. Revelations about the US debt clock, Noah's Ark, and the new US seal will be revealed tonight. In my mind, we've already boarded the Ark. When it all comes crumbling down and the shitstorm occurs, we'll be glad we bought XRP and have some stashed away. We are in the Ark. That storm is not anything we need to worry about. Wednesday, Federal Reserve Chair Powell will give a speech. First-time jobless filings speaking on Thursday is Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. Friday, there are a total of 12 Fed speaker engagements this week, and the focus is still on the central bank as 10% of the S&P 500 announces earnings. Consequently, we'll need to watch the Federal Reserve's actions as well. There are several external factors that affect XRP and its value. I hear a lot of people are getting ready to cash in their trash pennies for a ride in an XRP. Many individuals are presumably currently following in text roleplay. Because demand is rising and the price is about to skyrocket. It's time for XRP to take flight. When it takes off, it travels at a breakneck pace. Now is the time to cash in your shift coins for something with actual value. And if you're holding Bitcoin, sell and flee as soon as you can turn a profit. It seems hopeless to me. Nonetheless, XRP has a chance to become the global currency of choice in the future. But until then, we must be patient and optimistic. Put your money where my mouth is and help me get rich. That's all I have to say for this video. Please accept my gratitude for tuning in. I appreciate all of you. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.